What's the meaning of blues? Blues. Blues.
Blues. Blues. The term blues originally referred to a style of African American music that originated in the early 20th century. The music was characterized by its soulful melodies, melancholic lyrics, and a distinctive call-and-response vocal pattern. Over time, the term blues has evolved to encompass a broader cultural and emotional meaning, referring to a feeling of sadness, melancholy, or even hopelessness. People often use the phrase feeling blue when they are feeling down or depressed. More generally, blues can be seen as a metaphor for life's struggles, hardships, and setbacks, and the need to persevere in the face of adversity.